Hi, my name is Kirsten O'Donovan and I want to tell you a little bit about my dream that's coming true. It all started with a passion that I have for motorbikes, and I've always had this passion. It's something that's just been with me. Every time a bike drives past, my body goes all funny, I get all these feelings, and I just know that I love bikes and that I want to get a license one day and ride a bike. I didn't realize how soon it would happen. So what happened was last year, I got a program called Subliminal Software, which is a program you load to your PC and it flashes in the background and you can load images or words of something you want to manifest. So me thinking about my bikes, I put in an R1 and had that flashing at me subconsciously for the last 3 months. And out of the blue, a woman by the name of Deborah Rennie contacted me through an artist that I manage named Verity, and she was interested in booking Verity for an event. So I just sent her the details and heard nothing more from her. Then about a week later, I was interested in a product and ended up emailing this woman for it, which was the same woman. Didn't think anything of it though. And about 3 weeks after that, I got another email from her for booking for a workshop that we do, an inquiry. And she couldn't attend the workshop, and her next email to me was, I've got a project that I'm doing which involves riding a Harley Davidson across America to raise funds for women obese in South Africa, and she would love to talk to me about this project. And when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, the bulbs went off, like lit up. I was like, is this really happening? So I set up the meeting with her, went to the meeting, and ended up that we just started talking about it, and she offered me to go onto this trip. So where I'm at now is the 14th of June. I'm leaving in 6 weeks' time to ride a motorbike across America through 26 states in 30 days to raise funds. I'm learning how to ride a motorbike on Saturday, and I'll keep you updated. We'll take it from there.